Hello everyone, Brad here with another lightsaber. Today we're going to be looking at Asajj Ventress. This one surprised me the most. There's something that it comes with. I'll talk about that in a minute. But it's definitely the heaviest. This one's a lot heavier than the Temple Guard or Mace Windu's, which were the other two I've talked about. Let's pop it open. I'll use the 36-inch blade and show you what it looks like. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is the box has a red emblem, symbolizing the color that the hilt will project. Again, as I mentioned in the other videos, the color comes from the hilt itself. The blade just has interchanging LEDs. All right, spinning it around, a full view. Plastic case, cheap plastic, but it does look good. At least I think they look good. All right, on the bottom you've got the price tag. This one was $129. And it shows you how to disassemble it and change the batteries. And that has to do with the part that surprised me, because I looked at it and I was wondering why you had to take it apart a certain way and not screw it off. Some of the other ones you just unscrew. Alright, take a look inside. I like this lightsaber, the look of it a lot. The curved hilt, it feels very comfortable in your hand. Alright, pop it out. It sits in here really well too. It's actually kind of difficult to... There we go. This one's heavy. But let's keep looking at the case. Now, as with the others, you get the plastic insert. This one's molded specifically for this lightsaber. Here's where the surprise came in though for me. Other than so that... See? Little scrunchy. If you look down here, the other two had nothing in here. This one has a plastic piece. Says Asajj up there in the corner. This is meant to be a double-bladed lightsaber. Or at least, I mean, you have the option to make it double-bladed. So you pull out this piece. This is how you connect the two. Alright? And it comes with the tool here. Little Allen key, so you can unscrew it and connect two of them together. I have not watched much Clone Wars, really, just a few fights here and there. I know the character from the Dooku Jedi Lost book, audio book, which is really good. So I think this is a good representation of her lightsaber. You'll see down here one of the clips for the belt. I don't like how the Allen key looks though. It kind of just stands out on both sides. Alright, now to activate it you have a red button. You just push it up. Simple. The other good thing about that is it'd be hard to accidentally turn it off, I think. Some of the other ones are easier to just accidentally hit a button. Now this part here, that's plastic. The rest of it though, any of this is all metal. Part of what makes it so heavy. And then on the front, you'll see you get another one of the inserts. For whatever reason though, this one looks different. Might be kind of hard to tell, this camera's not great at autofocusing, but the inside of it looks different than the other ones. And it stays seated a little bit better as well. I tried shaking it out and it didn't shake out. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the 36-inch blade and show you what that looks like. Alright, I just dimmed the lights too, so you could see when I turn it on. But these blades, it says it on the box because there have been questions in the past. They work on all of the Galaxy's Edge, Savvy's Workshop, and Legacy lightsabers. They're all the same. You just line up the notches with the ones at the end, push it in. Oh, I got it backwards again. Push it in, you hear that sound. Now the audio is coming from the bottom. Push, twist, and it pops out. It is now seated. It kind of makes me think of like a Gunblade if you've ever played Final Fantasy, because you can hold it out like this. Has good weight. Turn it on. Now what I like about this one is if you listen, it has like a crackling sound. And it flashes white. Actually, it looks almost more like a yellow. Probably hard to see it on camera, but when it does flash, it comes out as a yellowish color. Turn it off. All right, do it one more time. Yeah, this is, I think this one out of all the lightsabers is the most comfortable, but that might just be me. And that's gonna do it for that. The last thing I want to show you is the inside part. I just got one of them out. I'm gonna get the other one. And that's it. It looks like, oh, that fell out. This one's shaped a little bit different than the other ones, actually. The Temple Guard one, the batteries go on the sides, unless this slides out also. So it looks like you actually have to unscrew this right here. A little bit inconvenient that you have to do all that to get it out, along with having this tool. You have to have this tool handy to even take it off in the first place. But you'll see that once you have it off, you can just slide it all back together with one of these in, and you put the other blade on and it'll look like a big S. That's how that's gonna turn out. Alright, that's gonna do it for this review. So hopefully you all learned a thing or two and enjoy the video. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.